Hi, Algebra 2 students. These are going to be some review for the Chapter 8 test upcoming. So let's see here. We want the real cube roots of 27. So what you're looking at there, folks, is what times itself gives you 27. It might be written in words. It might be written like that. And because 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, there's your cube root of 27. The real square roots of 81. 9 times 9 is 81, so is negative 9 times negative 9. So your real square roots could be written as plus or minus 9, or they might write it as 9 or negative 9. Right with rational exponents. Right here on the square root, there is a 2 right here. We don't see it, but there is a 2 right there. Cool. So we can write this as the following. 15 to the 3 halves. Cool. Feel free to pause at any point in time, but there's a few questions that could be test questions. Ha! Let's try this. Write in radical form and simplify. We can write that 2/3, how you see it right there, to the 2/3, just like that. Now, you could write it as this, but doing 64 times 64 is pretty darn big. So what I suggest is here, doing the cube root of 64, 4 times 4 times 4, and then 4 squared, and that becomes 16. And here, it can be written as the 5th root of 32 to the 3rd power. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, 16, 32. So in that parenthesis, the 5th root of 32 is 2 to the 3rd, which is 6. No. 2 to the 3rd is 8. That one got a little messy. Feel free to press pause whenever you'd like. By the way, yes, the neighbors are looking up here. To simplify this, hey, the square root of 36 is 6. I like to do the fraction method. X to the 10 over 2. There is the 2 in the square root. So that is the same as 6x to the 5th power. And now we cube it 6 times 6 times 6. I think it's 216. My calculator's inside. And exponent to an exponent, you multiply the powers. X to the 15th. Say 5 times 5 times 5. Ah, cool. I like the fraction method. X to the 6/3, and that's just x to the 2, 5x squared. And finally, the 4th root of 16, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Ah. I like the fraction method. X to the 8 over 4, 2x squared. Cool. Feel free to pause that video whenever you want. Wave to the neighbors who are watching this. Oh, I guess they've all left by now. All right. Have a good day. Good luck on the Chapter 8 Algebra 2 test.